Hi everybody, it's Danietta. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about some of the makeup products that I use to get this look. So this is my bare minimum, not much makeup look. I actually like getting away with makeup application where it looks like I did a lot more than I actually did because I'm typically running late and I don't have time to spend putting on a lot of makeup. And so I was going to do an application video where I show you how I apply it, but I got under this ring light and trying to apply it on my phone camera as opposed to in the mirror. It just was not working for your girl. So let me practice on that a little bit more and then I will come back to you, okay? All right. Secondly, before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and tell you because I'm going to be holding up things to the camera. Don't do me about my nails, y'all. Just don't do me. I was gonna do an application video. I found a dip powder nail kit on Amazon and I was gonna come on here and show y'all the fabulousness of me doing my nails at home because I'm not going to the nail salon until COVID dies down a lot more than it has. And I got to applying that base and honey, you have to be careful where you put that color inside the lines. Follow the margins because when I tell you it looks like I let a 3-year-old give me a manicure makeover, it's just, so yeah. Again, this is going to be what I use when I want to do like a bare minimum look, but I still want to look like I put some effort into getting ready and going out of the house. So I'm going to show you all my products. I would compare this to, let's say, if I were doing my get me body going out for a night on the town, a girls' night or a date night. This, what I'm about to show you, is probably going to be about 20% of that effort. So again, I like to have a polished look, but really not put a lot of time into polishing it. All right. So the first product that I have on is a tinted moisturizer. I hope you can see that. I like this brand. It's Laura Mercier. The shade that I use is Walnut. You probably cannot see that. What I like about tinted moisturizer, I'll put a little bit on my hand so you can see, is that a little bit goes a long way. So again, this shade is in Walnut. This brand has SPF 20 in it. So you can see me blending a little bit of this in and how easily it melts into the skin. So again, SPF 20, black doesn't crack, but it's for sure not gonna crack on my watch. And so you saw that little bitty dot and I was able to apply that on my entire forehead. So again, first step is my tinted moisturizer. Second step is them eyebrows, baby. So I am a big fan of filling in my eyebrows. I remember when I was a kid, I felt like my eyebrows looked like Oscar the Grouch and now I wish they would come back. So I like the Anastasia, some people say Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This color that I use is Ebony, again, because my hair is on the dark side now that I've washed my hair paint wax out. And so I want my eyebrows to more match my hair color. I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It is a 2-sided brush, so this is the brush side, but then this is the application side. What I like about this is a little bit goes a long way. I could probably use this pot for a year and still not have used it all. You don't want to ever use too much of this because you will look like Oscar the Grouch and it'll be blatantly obvious that you filled in your brows. So once I do fill in my brows, I like to clean it up and give it some definition. I like this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I hope you can see that. There we go. LA Girl Pro Concealer. What I like about this is you can get this, it's relatively cheap. And when I say cheap, I mean, I think I've always been able to find it under $3. And a little bit, it goes a long way here too. Another thing that I like about this is that it does have a brush. And so I squeeze a little bit. I put it under my brows. And then I use my slanted brush and then I just, blend it in. Sometimes I go around here when I want to give the wings a little bit more definition because I do tend to do my filling in of my eyebrows a little bit on the the sloppy side because I always know I can come and clear it up with concealer. So when I see people doing YouTube videos and they do it like just precise and all pristine, I'll be like, ooh, I should try to do mine a little bit neater. So then after that, I use a gel eyeliner. As you can see, I have been using this, honey. It is almost down to a nub. This is the Sephora brand gel eyeliner in black. I believe it's called black. I've used it so much that I can't see the name on it, but it is a Sephora brand. I do have a new a new pencil I haven't used with the name on there and the number for the color. I will put that in the comments below. What I like about this is it gives me a little bit more longevity. I put it on my waterline. My eyes are a lot more almond shaped, and so I typically don't wear eyeliner on my top eyelid unless it's like a special occasion or I'm just like getting done up. But like for day to day, like to fake it till you make it, and I want to look like I put some effort in, I typically always put eyeliner on my waterline. I like this gel variety because as the day goes on, it's a lot less smearing. I still have to clean this up a couple of times throughout the day, especially if I'm at work, so if it's a 9 to 5 type of day. But again, it stays intact pretty well. But with also that disclaimer is I have very oily skin, and so sometimes my skin works against me with any type of makeup that I do apply. So the next thing I like to do in my cheat sheet of fake it till you make it a makeup application is mascara. Mascara can get you far in life. So I guess you can see it. I don't necessarily care to put on lashes every day, and I don't necessarily care to go get individual lashes installed or put on. So, I mean, mascara is easy enough. This is the Fenty Beauty mascara. It's the full frontal in Cause I'm Black. Ow! I like that. And so as you can see with this brush, like there's a fat side and then there's a skinny side. The next step in my cheat sheet makeup application is blush. I have found that if you put on blush, and not a lot, we're not trying to be like the 80s type, makeup application, but just a little bit, I've seen somebody when I used to watch makeup tutorials, apple, and that's all you need. So this color that I have is Dolce Vita. This is NARS. They make a really good blush. I also like the Orgasm shade of blush from NARS. Talking about blush. And so, again, I use this brush. On the days where I don't want it to look like I'm just wearing heavy makeup, I tend to do a lip gloss. This is, can you tell, like Fenty Beauty? This is Fenty Beauty. Let's see if I can read this. Fussy. It's the Gloss Bomb. That's the name of the type of gloss. Gloss Bomb. And the color is Fussy. And so I like this. A little bit goes a long way. You get a little bit of a sheen. You don't have to put a lot of effort into getting ready, but you look like you did care about yourself a little bit when you rolled out the bed and before you stepped out of the door. So I'm always getting asked questions about what type of makeup I use. This is my cheat sheet makeup application. I can put all this stuff on in typically 10 minutes or less. When I get the hang of it, I will come back and do a application video. But again, like trying to do it on the video camera and sitting up under this ring light, I was just sweating and it just wasn't going well. So give me some time and I will work on that. I hope that this was very informative for those of you who have asked. For those of you who never asked, but you took the time to watch this video in the first place, I appreciate you and I thank you. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and comment. Please forward it to somebody that you know that may learn something from it or enjoy it as well. And I'll see you guys in the next time I come back. Thank you.